As bushfires hit Australia, native birds like the southeastern glossy Black-Cockatoo are at risk. Gumbaynggirr country at Coffs Harbour, New South Wales, is the centre of one of our Glossy projects. Our on-the-ground teams and volunteers here have rapidly responded to minimise the impacts of fires, tearing through vital foraging and breeding habitat. Meanwhile, we're continuing to protect and restore habitat across the bird's range through working collaboratively with communities, landholders and governments. But we need your help to scale up and counteract the bushfires before it's too late. Please give today to fund on-the-ground bird resources, community engagement and campaigning that are urgently needed to save our threatened native birds. Together we can help our native birds not only survive, but thrive.